Why do 70% of crypto enthusiasts prefer decentralized platforms? Let's find out. First, you need a compatible wallet. Choose one that supports the XRP ledger, like a dedicated XRP wallet or a multi-currency option with XRPL integration. Next, buy some XRP. Head over to an exchange like Kraken or Binance, purchase your XRP, and transfer it to your wallet. Now connect to the XRP ledger network using your wallet credentials. You're almost there. To trade, use the Offer Create transaction. This lets you place orders to buy or sell assets directly on the XRPL decentralized exchange. It's like having a crypto trading post right in your wallet. Don't forget to manage trust lines for tokens issued by other accounts. This enables smooth transactions with those specific tokens. Keep an eye on your trades using a blockchain explorer like XRP Scan. Remember, with the XRPL's built-in decentralized exchange, you can trade directly on the network without relying on a centralized platform.